Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, we are going to talk about discussion and media setting. So just hover over setting and then click on discussion. And here we have a lot of options to go through. So let's just begin from the top. Don't worry about these two settings. We are not going to discuss that, but this third one is very important. The third one allows people to submit comment on your new post. Now, suppose that you have made a new post and you want people to comment on that post because that will increase the engagement and that is good for your blog post. So if you want people to comment on your new post, if you want to allow people to comment on your new post, then make sure that this one is checked. Okay. And now let's just go to the other comment setting. Author must fill out name and email. So this is for the people who are not logged in. Okay, this is for the people who are not logged in. And when they are commenting, if you keep this checked, then they will be required to fill out their name and email. Okay, and only then, only after they fill out their name and then email and the actual comment, then only they can post their comment. So make sure that this is also ticked, and this one make sure that this is unticked, because after you tick this, after you check this box, then only users that are registered and logged in will be able to comment on your post, which I don't want. I want everyone, I want even my visitors to comment on my post. So make sure that it is unticked, otherwise only and only registered user will be able to comment, which I don't like. If you like that setting, then you can check this box. And automatically close comment on post older than 14 days. No, I don't want that. If you check this box, then what will happen is that all the posts which are 14 days older, people will not be able to comment on those posts. No one will be able to comment on those posts. The comment section will be closed. And obviously you can change the day here. You can write 10, you can write 20, you can write 14 or 15 or 100, but I don't want that. I want people to comment on all the posts. Okay, so I will make sure that this is unticked, and yeah, make sure that this is ticked. And this one is important: enable threaded nested comment. So suppose that you have a post. So I'll go to this home page, and this is my first post. Here is it. All right, so click on this, and here we have made some comment. So you can see that this is one comment and this one is another, and this comment is reply to this one. So this is what nested means. It means multiple levels. So one comment replying to another comment, and so on and so forth. So this will only go for 5 level. So this will have a reply, and then this will have a reply, and then this will have a reply. So that is what it means. So only 5 deep level, that is fine for me. Now this setting is also important. Suppose that you have a huge blog and you are getting thousands and thousands of visitors every single day, and people are commenting on your post, and your post have hundreds and hundreds of comments. Okay, if you want to break the comment into multiple pages, then you can check this box. So the first page will only include the 50 top comment, and the second page will include the next 50, and the third page will include the next 50 comment. I don't want that, because right now my blog is not that big. Okay, scroll down and go to this section, email me whenever anyone posts a comment. No, I don't want an email when someone posts a comment. And don't email me when a comment is held for moderation, because suppose that you have thousands and thousands of visitors, you are getting hundreds and hundreds of comment every single day, then this will become a nuisance. Your inbox will be filled. So I don't want this. Okay, I don't want an email when somebody posts a comment. I don't want an email when a comment is held for moderation. Okay, and scroll down. Before a comment appear, comment must be manually approved. No, I don't want this. So I will make sure that this is unticked. And here is a different setting. So comment author must have a previous approved comment. Now this is not for the registered user. Suppose that you have visitors and they are posting comment by filling their name, email, and then the content. So what this setting will do is that if that visitor have posted a comment and that comment is approved, only then their comments will be published right away. So if you are a visitor and you post a comment on my post by writing your name and then your email and then the actual comment, and if that comment is approved, and the next comment which you make will be automatically approved. Okay, if you use the same name and email. All right, now scroll down. Yes, I want to display avatar, and scroll down. This G is fine. And if you want to change the avatar, then you can check on anyone. I don't want a blank one. I don't want this logo. I actually like this one, so I will check this one and then I will click on save changes. And these were all the setting in the discussion page which I wanted to show you, the important one. And now let us go to the media settings. If you want to change the thumbnail size, then you can do that here. You can change the width, you can change the height, also the medium size. The maximum width of the medium size images will be 300, and the maximum height of medium size images will be 300. If you want to increase that, you can do that here as well. And the larger size, the maximum width of the larger size will be 1024, and the maximum height of the larger size will be 1024 or 1024. I don't want to change any of this setting. I am actually fine with this setting. And now just scroll down. This is uploading files. So whenever you upload files or your images onto your website, then all these files will be organized by their year and then their month. And I actually like this, so I will keep this checked and then I will click on save changes, but I have not saved anything, so this is fine. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot. I hope that these settings are not overwhelming you, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.